Well, happening now at 5 o'clock, New York has agreed to delay the implementation of the All-Electric Buildings Act, a move to make all new construction buildings lower than 7 stories electric. Originally, it was set to start at the beginning of the new year.
Now it is paused as the law is tied up in court, and many in the state remain divided over its future. Nicole LaFiandra reports.
The implementation for the All-Electric Buildings Act has been put on hold until the state appellate court makes a final decision. It would have gone into effect on January 1st, 2026, and it sets the stage for aggressive climate goals that New York State has set for 2030.
As the delay starts on New York State's All-Electric Buildings Act, environmental advocates say it could play a key role in hitting the state's climate goals.
There's really no way that you can set the types of targets that New York State has set and realistically attain those targets without including buildings into the final solution.
Buildings here in central New York amount to 1/3 of the region's environmental impact. The act would have banned newly constructed buildings under 7 stories from using fossil fuels, requiring them to be all electric.
The idea behind the act really was to say, for all this new construction that's going on, let's put it all let's demand that it all be in the form of electrical energy uses in our building. And then we're going to watch as the grid essentially becomes cleaner and cleaner, and our buildings will become cleaner and cleaner because of it.
State Assembly Minority Leader Will Barclay is calling for a cost analysis before any action goes further.
Even if we're completely successful putting these in, it's going to cost taxpayers and people in New York State and the businesses in New York State tremendous amount of money. And the question is it worth doing all that?
He says reevaluating the goal line is the key to making everyone happy.
I wouldn't, pop the champagne right yet. What we really need to do is go back to Albany, reevaluate all these laws, and make sure, we're not just suspending them through stipulation. Really, it needs to be suspended pursuant to legislation that's signed by the governor.
As for what's next, litigation takes a long time. Assembly Minority Leader Will Barclay says it's going to be a while before we know how and if this is going to be implemented. In the control room, I'm Nicole LaFiandra.